So when you meet with a client and you're qualifying them, I'm guessing you're letting them know, hey, this is where we're at today. Tomorrow can be different.
Mhm.
Can you handle the risk?
It depends on where people are in their life cycle.
Mm-hmm.
And I work with a lot of elderly people. I've developed a platform just for elderly people to sell or trade their complicated properties that might be more risky and do a 1031 exchange into something. It's called single tenant net lease properties. Like think of Dollar General, Burger King, Wendy's,
Mm-hmm.
7-Eleven. Help them trade into that so they don't pay any tax. Then when they pass on, they leave that to their children who now inherit a Dollar General rather than a leaky building that's vacant and that might need refinancing. Much better for the kids. Then they can sell it at stepped up basis and pay no tax. So it's a three step process. And then if you're my age or you're older, you're not taking that risk of the vacancy right now or the refinancing risk. You've got Dollar General on a 20-year lease, corporate guarantee. There's almost no risk in that.